Hello everyone and welcome to an even more special episode of Rock and Roll English today, because I want to tell you that I will be doing a free lesson. Yes, absolutely free for you. In fact, I will be doing two lessons. Both are on Thursday the 29th of July, so in a couple of days. One is at 2 p.m. Italian time and one is at 8 p.m. Italian time. It is totally free. I will be there, so I will be able to give you some feedback on your speaking, and we will do a proper R&R lesson, okay? An English lesson in the rock and roll style. Now, I have never done this before. I've been doing the podcast for 4.5 years, but I've never done this for two reasons. One, because I was too scared, and two, because I thought no one would come. Now, both of these fears are still very real. But you know what? Fuck it. I'm doing it because I want to talk to you. I want to show you how I teach, my teaching style, how lessons are with me. When I woke up this morning, I thought I'm going to make a podcast and tell everyone what a great teacher I am, because obviously I'm doing the Rock and Roll English Summer School and I would like you to come because I think it's a great opportunity for you to have lessons with an experienced and brilliant teacher. That's me, obviously. Then I thought, it's a bit easy for me to say I'm brilliant. Everyone says that. I've never heard anyone offering lessons that says, you know what, here are some lessons, but I'm a terrible teacher. So I thought I would do something different. And instead of telling you I'm brilliant, I want to show you, okay? Because remember, teaching English is something I know how to do. Being an interpreter and lots of other things I don't know. So yes, I'm going to show you what a bloody brilliant teacher I am. So please join me on Thursday, the 29th of July at 2 p.m. Italian time or 8 p.m. Italian time. Okay, don't come to both because they are actually going to be the same lesson. I'm just doing two times because of the whole time difference thing. And if you're thinking, why is Martin doing this at the last minute? That's rock and roll English, isn't it? That's everything about rock and roll English. So yes, I hope to see you there. Then in the next few days, so tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, and even Thursday morning, I'm going to make a few more podcasts to tell you about my teaching style. Okay, so the idea is you hear me talking about it, then on Thursday you see for yourself. So in order to sign up for this free lesson, okay, go to rockandrollenglish.com/school. The link is in the comments to this podcast you are listening to now, because I still don't know how to add this to the menu of my website. So you literally need to write that address or click on the link that you find in this podcast. I'm putting it on Facebook and Instagram as well. Then after you sign up at, remember, rockandrollenglish.com/school, remember you can check out the details of the Rock and Roll English Summer School, which is on the same page. There were 9 places available for each class, but a few obviously have already been sold. So if you want to be sure of your place, I suggest you sign up quickly. But if you prefer to come to the free lesson first and see, that's obviously fine too. So anyway, I hope to see you on Thursday. Remember, 2 p.m. Italian time or 8 p.m. Italian time, rockandrollenglish.com/school to reserve your place. And I have used a new piece of software that creates a Zoom link, sends it to you, sends you a reminder. It's all very professional. I can't believe it either. So yes, see you on Thursday. But in the meantime, just keep on rocking, baby.